CelticsFan33 is going to do NT Racing. It's a personal box. And of course they're red. Eddie, let me know if you don't want the box. Like I said, I will ship the box if you want it. I think this is the first time I've ever numbered NT boxes. I got Rodney's payment, thank you. 1, 2, 3, or 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 2. Good luck, Eddie. Again, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Seal and seal. Red boxes are nice. I'm peeking because I have zero idea. Okay. We got 14 of 15. C.J. Edwards. Yeah, C.J. Edwards. Carl Edwards. 14 of 15 short print base. Okay, no problem, Eddie. 14 of 15. Carl Edwards. Then we have National Treasures. Carl Edwards, 24 of 25. Looks like a couple pieces of the fire suit and a couple tires. (24 of 25). We got 5 of 15 two-color Chase Elliott. Chase Elliott two-color. We got legendary autograph, Glenn Wood. Glenn Wood. That is not numbered. Glenn Wood. Winning signatures, Casey Kane, 12 of 25. Casey Kane. Ditz, the mini is actually changed because someone bought the Chargers outright. So we got 2 of 15. 2014 champion Kevin Harvick. 2 of 15 Kevin Harvick jersey autograph, fire suit autograph. This is a personal of NT Racing, Jerry. And our redemption is going to be Dual Signatures Booklets Gold. Card number 12, Matt Kenseth, Carl Edwards. I assume that's a huge card. Edwards and Kenseth, Dual Signature Booklets Gold. Nice box. Congrats, Eddie. Let me know if you want to do any more, man. Those are empty. want to do any more. Not major,